So this was the point when I knew I had Betaflight sorted to my satisfaction. The first most important thing was to find 3 presets for various things, including rates, tune, and ExpressLRS 150 Hz, which I had to set on the Ranger Nano as well as in Betaflight. And then I tweaked them slightly using the master multiplier on the PIDs to get these results. And the final thing to do was to tame the throttle a bit. It came as pretty aggressive, so I put a little bit of a belly in that curve. You can see the values here for the what's called rate profile setting, which is really throttle. And with that I finally had control and no more bouncy bouncies. So very happy at this point.
Welcome to EdgeTX. Throttle warning. Disarmed. Angle mode. Air mode off.
On the Pocket I'd already set the packet rate to 150 Hz, which is fine for what I do. But the other thing I found out was dynamic power. I initially had it set at 100 milliwatts because that's what I used for the Bugs 3 with the jumper. But I came across this concept of dynamic power, and that's very interesting. What it does is we set the maximum power it'll use, which I set at 500 milliwatts, and with a fan threshold, when the fan cuts in it, you get your 150 milliwatts. And then the next thing to do was to play a value, the total power output, so you could hear it, what power it's actually operating on. And I came across a very clever idea of a logical switch that would cut in if it varied by more than 1 milliwatt either way. So it tends to jump by, say, 25, 50, 100, whatever, and it'll tell you when it changes up or down. And that really gave me an insight into the incredible power and range of ExpressLRS.
Yep. The bluff inland, turning, heading
inland. 50 milliwatts. 25 milliwatts.
Still heading north.
Milliwatts, 11.5 volts, 25 milliwatts.
Coming back, dropping down over the sea.
11.5 volts, 50 milliwatts, 25
I'm on the surf line
milliwatts,
now.
11.5 volts.
Trying to drop it lower. Over the surf line, can we go towards
3
us?
minutes. 11.
Look behind those people.
Volts.
Okay, I can see you. You're low, aren't you? Yeah, I can see
11.4 volts.
That's the dog.
Yeah.
People just opposite.
11.4 volts.
On the shoreline.
Yeah. I see that.
30 seconds. 11.4 volts.
Look.
11.3 volts.
Yeah.
11.3 volts. 4 minutes. 11.4 volts. 11.3 volts. No battery.
Dogs are chasing.
Right.
Dogs chasing.
Good luck to doggy.
11.2 volts.
You're fine.
1. Telemetry
4
lost.
minutes, 30 seconds.
11.1 volts. No battery. Telemetry recovered. 11.2 volts. 11.4
I
volts.
can see the dog. I'm going to chase him.
The people were just coming around.
11.3 volts. No battery.
He's gone. Run up to you.
Yeah.
11.2 volts.
Coming your way now. He's coming your way now.
I see him. Nah, I'm going to land.
11.2 volts.
Don't take that.
I can see him.
5 minutes,
11.1
30
volts.
seconds.
11.2 volts. 11.1 volts. 11.1 volts. 11.1 volts. Disarmed.
A lot better shot.
That feels much better. Yeah.
That was a far better shot.
Yep, it was.
11.4 volts.
Far better shot.
Whew. Very happy with that. Yep.